Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel after years. As everyone will see who is still subscribed and who even checks to see if I post any videos, you'll see first of all that the name of the channel has been changed to the Miniature Madness of Cheryl G. When I last left you, I was supervisor at my job, and it was affecting me really bad emotionally, physically, everything. The job wasn't hard itself. It was everything that went along with it, like working all the time. And so I stepped down. I took some time to basically get over it because I was working quite a bit and not as much as some other people. But anyway, I wanted to go back to YouTube. I have missed it. I have missed you guys so bad. So I was doing a lot of thinking, and what do I love most in life? I love miniatures, okay? I like all the other crafts I do, and I still do them, but I like miniatures. In fact, I love miniatures. In fact, it's been a crazy obsession, so therefore the Miniature Madness. Hopefully it'll all be a good thing. So, what this channel is going to be about is going to be devoted to dollhouse miniatures. Probably mostly 1/12 scale, but also half-inch scale as I fit it in. I'm going to be featuring haul videos. I'm going to be featuring tutorials. And hopefully we're just going to have a lot of fun with this whole thing. I have 4 dollhouses I'm working on, 5 if you count the one that's in my basement in pieces. I've lost half the pieces. So if I ever get to that, it'll be I'm going to build it my way thing. So yeah, that could be really interesting. I have been doing some miniature work and creating and doing some videos for this channel, so we're going to have plenty of videos. I plan on putting the videos up probably once a week. And I haven't decided on what day exactly that's going to be because my schedule of work rotates. So I will figure out what the best day is. And I will be starting the channel on May 1st. That's going to give me a little more time to really get ready because I've been away so long that it's kind of scary again. Kind of like the first time I ever did it. So I thought I would show you one of the little projects I'm working on, and I'm really proud of this one. So here you go. This is a 1/24 or half-inch scale modern bed that I've done. Let me zoom out here a little bit. Whoops, that wasn't out. Oh, come on. My arm ain't long enough. Okay, so I did the little bed. It was one that I kind of copied in my own way off Wayfair. And I thought it just turned out so cute. There it is, right there. I know I made a mistake on this, but I don't remember what it was. Anyway, that's going to be one of the tutorials coming up in the future. Is we're going to make one of these, but we're going to do it in 1/12 scale. But I thought that just turned out so cute, and I was so pleased with it. It's like, yeah, maybe I haven't lost my touch, so I don't know. You tell me. Anyway, I hope that you will join me on May 1st for my first video of my new channel, well, at least newly named, newly themed. And I hope you please come in and check it out. If you like what you see, please hit like and subscribe and click the notification bell if you want more from me. I am so looking forward to coming back to YouTube and this adventure with you guys. So thank you for joining me for this, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye.